What's up guys, we have just arrived in Singapore at our new accommodation. We thought we would take you along for the ride today. We did a lot of research on this place. There are a lot of capsule hotels here in Singapore. We looked through every single one on Airbnb. We think we have found the coolest, most interesting one. Come along today and we'll show you what it's all about.
Very stable, but maybe it feels like we're moving in a spaceship.
I think that's the idea.
I don't think that's surely not. Anyway, welcome to Met A Space Pods. So this is our accommodation for tonight and tomorrow night.
2 nights.
Pretty impressed so far. This is cool. This is unlike anything we've stayed in before.
We've stayed in capsule hotels, but nothing like this. This is very futuristic.
Yeah, and it's pretty well kitted out. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was around 80 New Zealand dollars a night, but you get all the same amenities that you would in a hotel, just smaller. So inside we've got power, so we can charge everything, along with 2 USB sockets in the wall if we just wanted to charge our stuff directly in the wall. There's a headphone jack, which is for the pretty decently sized TV right behind you guys.
I think it's a 40-inch.
Yeah, wasn't expecting that at all.
We've got Wi-Fi in here.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah, all of the lights around here can be controlled, not just in brightness, but in colour as well, so that's pretty epic.
We've got fans to control the air conditioning in here. Pretty comfortable. I mean, it's only a small area. I would say it's 2 meters by 1.5. Pretty much, okay, I don't know, this is a double bed. This is like a king single.
King single, I would say.
It works. I mean, especially what I'm thinking is, you know, if you're traveling, you only really need a place to sleep.
Oh, 100%.
Because you're going out every day, you're exploring or whatever.
Absolutely.
But I will say, not that we've slept here yet, but we're sitting on the mattress at the moment. It's not bad.
No.
We've stayed at some places in really thin mattresses.
Yeah, the mattress is... There's
2.
actually 2 mattresses. Yeah, so there's a topper that's probably about that thick, and then I don't want to reach down, but the other one seems pretty similar in thickness. But there's a coat hook, there is a smoke detector, as well as a fire extinguisher, and behind us, just in case there's a fire in space. You can't have fires in space, eh? Oh wait, no, that was a stupid thing to say. The sun is a literal ball of fire. Don't put that in the video.
We're keeping that in the video.
Don't put that in the...
Yeah.
There's a giant mirror.
I was just about to say the mirror. It kind of makes it good.
Yeah.
You know?
It makes it feel a little bit bigger as well, I think.
I did notice a safe down here as well.
Okay, so we have a safe.
Yeah.
There is a button so we can lock the door. Like when you go to sleep, you close the door. Okay, now I feel a little bit more confident in shutting it properly.
I think it is pretty soundproof.
Imagine if we're stuck in here because I just shut the door and the key's on the outside.
Sure.
That would...
Someone's here.
Someone is here.
Maybe it's not soundproof, guys.
Can you open the door? It's the cleaner.
Speaking of cleaner, this place is really clean, even on the outside.
Yeah, spotless.
Yeah. I like this as well. It makes it seem like we're in a luxurious hotel with the headboard.
Yeah, beautiful plush headboard. We have obviously pillows, we have towels.
You know what this kind of reminds me of? I mean, we haven't slept yet. Like camping.
Kind of, yeah.
It's like we're in a tent.
Yeah, we're in a tent. If you sit up straight, does your head hit the roof?
No.
It's definitely a bit jiggly. We'll say that.
Yeah. But yeah, pretty impressed, I gotta say.
It's cozy.
Yeah.
Okay, there's very loud fans, so I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the bathroom. It's pretty basic. It's got everything you need. There's the sink and a mirror, and then you come through here, and there's the showers. This is very niche and very random, but the showers in here are actually really nice. The way the water comes out, I'm going to try and show you. It's like such a fine mist. And like, how cool is that? Look at the rings. Anyway, don't mind me, don't want to waste water. How'd you sleep?
Definitely not bad. Not great, not bad.
Did not have high hopes for my sleep in here, and I am incredibly surprised. I wouldn't say that I slept great, but it definitely wasn't bad, and like I can feel the ground right now.
And apart from it not being completely soundproof.
It is literally 2:28 a.m. and there's someone, is that Bob?
Maybe next door.
Yeah, there's someone snoring. I'll hold the phone up to like the roof of our pod to see if you guys can hear them. Yeah, it's literally like a lawnmower.
Yeah.
Like I couldn't sleep, and I'm like, as soon as my head hits the pillow, I'm asleep. I'm done. I have no troubles falling asleep. But for some reason, being able to like overhear someone else snoring, it was just winding me up, and I couldn't sleep. What would you rate your sleep out of 10?
If I'm being honest, maybe a 5 or 6.
Yeah, I think for me
Which is
maybe
okay.
6. Yeah.
You know, considering what it is.
It's
It's not a 5-star hotel, but it's definitely cool and different and cheaper.
Totally. On the count of 3, we're gonna say the comfiest bed we've ever slept in our entire 10 years of traveling. Okay?
Oh, there's been a few, man.
3, 2, 1, plane.
Ubud, yeah.
Yeah.
Ubud plane.
Yeah.
There's been a few. There's a few that came to mind, but yeah.
Yeah, so that's like what I compare everything to. If you guys get a chance, we'll link the video below. We stay in some pretty cool places actually. The treehouse.
Yeah.
But anyway, we stayed in a plane in Ubud. And it was one of the comfiest beds and the best sleeps that I have had in literally like 10 years.
That's alright. I think we need some coffee.
Yeah, we went out last night to some speakeasies. And we didn't realise until we were about 3 or 4 cocktails deep that we actually have an international flight today.
In a few hours, guys. We got a gap.
We kind of forgot that, and we haven't done any of the paperwork to get back into Bali. And we are filming a beautiful video on one of the coolest airports in the world today. So drinking last night maybe wasn't our finest decision, but we did it, and I digress. We had a really, really good time, but it does mean that we look a little worse for wear today. Anyway,
Coffee.
Coffee.